After I got my lawnmower unstuck out of the backyard, I made sure it had a full tank of gas. And I drove it downtown to the old church. And the old church has this lot over here next to it. And anyway, the lot's overgrown. You can't even see it, but there's a Airstream Camper right there. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up this lot. I got a lot of trash in it. And of course, my neighbor right here in this building that did some work to his building decided to throw his trash over into my lot over here. So I'm gonna have to clean up all that and get it out of here. Got a trash can over there. I'm gonna put it in the trash can, clean up the lot, and hopefully have this looking a lot better. After I clean up the trash, then I'll run my lawnmower up in here. I brought my clippers so I can clip down these trees and or at least clip down the portions of the tree that I can. So anyway, that's our building, and that's our Maxima, and that's our Airstream. And I've been needing to get down here to do this for a while. I'm going to be taking that Maxima back to the house. It's been sitting here for 4 years. It had a problem, but I'm going to start working on it here soon. And also the Airstream, I'm going to start working on it as well. I'm going to do some videos on both of those. Also, I got some work to do underneath the church building, and also inside. I did have a guy come down here and do a little bit of work on the roof. I made sure it was fastened down in a few areas before we had a bad storm coming through. So I'm gonna get busy. I am gonna film before and after. So this is my before. All right. I'm gonna get busy. I gotta get my gloves on because I'm seeing poison ivy and also poison oak. Maybe some sumac in here as well. But let me get busy. I'm gonna try to get this done fairly quickly so I can get back home. All right, talk to you later. Big mess. And I found underneath the car, I found treasure. I don't know whose treasure it is, but I'm not gonna put this online. I'm just doing this for my own. Next to the church, where I've got the Airstream and the Maxima parked out, cutting down weeds, mowing. Maxima, it's like an antique. And it's got some change and some keys and other odds and ends in there. I didn't see anything else under the Maxima, but I'll look some more because you never know, you know, stuff may have fallen out, or being a cash drawer thing like that. And that somebody lifted it and hid it. That's the only conclusion I can come to. So, thinking about who around here would have an antique cash drawer that runs a business. I think I know who. I'm gonna have to go talk to him. Yeah, the cash register that I found under the car, I figured out who it belonged to, and I went and found their telephone number, gave them a call, and they showed up within 5 minutes, and they came on over and they looked at the cash drawer, and they said, yep, that was it. That's theirs. They had been robbed, but it had been several months since that happened, and they thought they'd never see that cash drawer again. But anyway, they were really happy to have it back. And the keys that were in the cash drawer were actually their keys to various things that they had. So whoever stole the cash drawer had key access to some of their stuff. So they had been doing some investigating, but they had already found out that the keys were missing and had already changed locks. So, you know, no big deal with the keys, I guess. But they figured out who did it. Months ago, they figured it out, and that person is in jail. But anyway, just thought I'd throw this in there in the video. Getting her done. So the other half done in a few days. I'll be able to get this Maxima out of here. This thing's been sitting here for a while. I got my Airstream sitting here. Kind of got it cleaned out a little bit on this side. I still got all this to cut down. I'll be cutting it down all the way back and around. I was lucky nobody had been in here messing with my Airstream, but I do see back there, right back there, the compartment where my battery goes. Looks like somebody popped that thing open and messed with it. I need to look at my back window. I don't know. I don't think anybody's been sleeping in there. Certainly hope I don't run across nobody. Nah, I don't think so. I don't think anything's changed in there. But you know how people are. Kids, they get curious and they want to see things. But I've got this all cleared out right around the car here and about halfway back on the lot here. But I'll be taking this Maxima to the house and doing some work to it. Still got a couple of stumps here to get down. Those are a little bit too big for my snippers. And this stump as well. And I guess you can tell how long my camper's been sitting here. That'll be easy enough. But I gotta clear out all that and back around. So that'll be next time I come down. Get all that done. And once I get a tow hitch put on the truck, then I'll hook this thing up to the back end of my pickup truck and haul it off this lot, and that way we can start working on this again. But this right here is one of my next projects. I gotta fix that and put a light in there. I've got one tire. It's kind of low. Let me look at that other one over there. Yeah, it was a pretty good car. Oh yeah, there it is. The front one's low. Flat. So I'll air that up, see if it holds air. Jumper it off. I might be able to pull a vehicle. Well, I don't know if I want to pull a vehicle up in here. There may be nails and stuff down in here. But where they did work to this building back here, you know, you never know. There could be odds and ends in here that'll give you a flat. But anyway, getting work done. And got a bunch of old buildings here. But these things are pretty old. This thing is pretty darn old as well. All right, I got to get on this and go home. I'm just going to leave all this sitting where it's at. Close the lid on that. Not enough to little close on it well enough. I'll turn it around. Maybe the trash people will get it. Oh crap! This thing's heavy. It's got water in it or something. I'm gonna leave it sitting right here. There we go. Okay. Next time I come down here, it'll be to finish clearing off the lot and getting that Maxima out of here. truck down here and parking it right there. And the reason I do that is so nobody can back up to my camper, hook it up and pull it away. Because you know people do stuff like that. All right, well, I guess I better get off of here and go home. I gotta take a shower. Whew, where's my cup at? Oh, there it is. Oh, well, so, anyway, you know what to do. Give me some thumbs up, make a comment, subscribe. Got my work set up for me, don't I? Got some big trees down.